everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be making some icing for cake. So what I'm going to do first, the ingredients are 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, just a little bit of water in case the icing is too crumbly, 2 cups of icing sugar powdered, and roughly about half a cup of softened unsalted butter. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add my icing sugar into my electric mixer bowl. And I'm also going to be adding my butter. And I'm gonna mix it till they're both well combined with each other. So yeah, it may take a while, and yeah, so this might take a while, and I'll see you then. Hi everyone, welcome back. So as you can see, my butter is well combined. It is very powdery. So, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just like that. Add that in. There we go. You can also add any colorings at this stage if you want, or you can also wait until the icing is more icy. So as you can see, it is not really absorbing together. So this is why we have water. Add in 1 tablespoon at a time, and just add so that it just combines better. As you can see on the side, it's becoming frosting, and yeah, I will show you the end result. Hi guys, welcome back. So as you can see, just 1 teaspoon of water really helped my icing from becoming that crumbly mess to this nice frosting. As you can see, it's pretty fluffy. You can also fluff it a bit more if you want. And basically, as you can see, very nice. You can also, now you can put this on your cake and you can basically do anything with it. This is your buttercream icing frosting. Hi everyone, welcome back. So as you can see, I have made a sponge cake and my icing is all ready. Now before you start icing your cake, you want to make sure that it is fully cooled down, or else the icing will melt and not look so great. And so I'm just going to show you a way of how I decorate my cakes, and I'll show you when it's done. Welcome back everyone. So as you can see, I have filled in and decorated my cake. So this is it for this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below how this recipe went for you, and see you next time. Bye.